We'll guide you through how to make a Word document on a mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. Perhaps you need to go make a Word document for a school project or work. We'll guide you through how this can be done. You can go and edit them in there as well. So to get started, open up the App Store or Play Store, whatever store you've got, and go and search for Word. You can go and download it, and then you can go and open it up. You can go and press sign up or sign in if you already have a Microsoft account, enter in your details. I've now gone and signed in, and then what you can do is go and press the plus in the middle at the bottom, and you can then go and choose a template or create a blank one pressing that blue plus. Now you can start working on it. Go and type in what you want. If you look just above the keyboard, you've got the plus there. You can tap it and add images, tables, amongst other things. Adjust the formatting above here as well. You've got some different options at the top you can use. And when you're finished with the document, you can press the three dots in the top right, and you can go and press send a copy. Choose Word document or PDF. Word document means you can edit it again. Then you can scroll down and press save to files, or you could go and email it right now using the social media and save it.